Welcome to FitNut, your go-to spot for easy, practical health and wellness routines. Today, we're tackling something that affects millions of people but often gets ignored: poor posture. If you've been dealing with back pain, neck stiffness, or even fatigue during the day, your posture could be the root of the problem. In the next 10 minutes, WeLines walk you through a simple routine that can help relieve back pain and build better posture right at home. No equipment needed. What causes bad posture? Let's quickly talk about why posture problems happen. Most of us spend hours sitting, whether at a desk, in the car, or on the couch. Over time, slouching, leaning forward, and looking down at our phones trains our bodies into unhealthy positions. This creates tightness in the chest and hips, weakens our core, and strains our back. The good news: with a few mindful moves each day, we can begin to reverse these effects and build a stronger, more upright posture. What you'll need and what to expect. Before we begin, here's what you can expect. This is a 10-minute routine made up of gentle stretches and posture-strengthening exercises. It's beginner-friendly, requires zero equipment, and can be done in a small space. All you need is a mat or a soft surface and a willingness to move. Ready? Let's stand tall and begin. Exercise 1. Wall Angels. Our first move is called Wall Angels. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 6 inches away. Make sure your lower back, shoulders, and head are touching the wall. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 6 inches away. Make sure your lower back, shoulders, and head are touching the wall. Raise your arms up, bend your elbows to form a goalpost shape, and slowly slide them up and down along the wall. Don't let your back arch. Do 10 slow reps. This exercise opens up tight shoulders and helps align your spine properly. Breathe deeply as you move. Exercise 2. Cat-cow stretch. Next, let's move down to the mat for the cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your head and tailbone. This is the cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, and draw your belly in. This is cat. Flow between these two slowly for 30 seconds. This movement increases spinal flexibility and helps release tension from your back. Daily posture tips exercises are powerful, but posture is also about awareness. Throughout your day, try to keep your shoulders relaxed and back, your chin slightly tucked, and your ears aligned over your shoulders. Whether you're sitting at your desk or scrolling on your phone, imagine a string pulling the top of your head up toward the ceiling. Small corrections like these can make a huge difference over time. Quick recap and motivation. Let's recap. Today, you learned about Wall Angels and cat-cow stretch, two simple yet effective moves to reduce back pain and improve posture. You also picked up some helpful posture reminders you can apply during daily tasks. If you stick to this 10-minute routine regularly, your body will start to adapt and you'll feel the difference. More energy, less tension, and better posture every day. You've done an amazing job today. Remember, consistency is the key to lasting results. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another FitNut wellness routine. And hey, let us know in the comments how your back is feeling, or share your own posture tips. We're here to support each other. Until next time, stand tall, breathe deep, and be kind to your body. You deserve it.